I'm sure you've seen all the memes that are made.
Mhm.
Yeah, you've seen, you come across. I see you keep sharing also. जो आपको अच्छा लगता है वो share करते हो, जो आपको comment अच्छा लगता है वो pin करते हो. Uh, I always think that yeah, you take everything in such good spirit.
Mhm.
But ऐसा कभी हुआ है where you felt bad?
No, I don't see a lot of my stuff, and I don't want to, because for me, that is not what should be my, should be my priority. My priority is my work, uh, and for my mental health also, it's very important that I refrain. I always refrain myself from watching whatever it is, and a lot of them is also edited by artificial intelligence through AI. If there is a particular interview and you take up the clip like let's say like a section, then B section and Z section, जिसका कोई तोल मोल नहीं है, आप उसको add up करके कुछ निकाल देते हो, बना देते हो. So it is up to people who are creating this for their own sake, for their own benefits. I don't watch all that. I refrain myself from watching it because it affects my mental thing, and I don't want to see all that. So I don't watch.
Yeah. You make your journey look so easy, Urvashi. I mean, you'll hardly. So this is the thing with social media, right? हमें successes दिखते हैं, हमें failures नहीं दिखते हैं. We don't get to see कि maybe this is the place where she must have failed. Is there anything that you consider your failure?
Failure is also very important. It's a part of journey, and every single person लाइफ में, चाहे वो मैं हूँ, आप हो, हम जितने भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, हर कोई कहीं ना कभी किसी जिंदगी की किसी मोड़ में आकर के फेल हुए हैं. थॉमस एडिसन जब उन्होंने बल्बों का आविष्कार किया था, तो कितनी बारी वो फेल हुए. एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन फेल हुए हैं. इतने बड़े बड़े लेजेंडरी लोग, व्हेन वी कॉल. So yeah, I mean, when he was painting Mona Lisa, when he failed, there were so many instances like in life in general. So failure is not a taboo. It's okay to fail. तो एक it's very important to fail. फेल अगर नहीं हो रहे इसका मतलब लाइफ में कुछ नया ट्राई कर ही नहीं रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
तो वी शुड बी वेरी प्राउड ऑफ इट कि एटलीस्ट वी ट्राइड समथिंग न्यू. Life is not just about success, or just about a highs. It's always a graph. Once the graph will go up and then it'll come down. Then it'll go up. Then it'll be straight, maybe. Then it'll go up, down, up, down, up, down. It's never, ever. आप बताइए, if you know anybody who has always seen the upward graph? No.
Yeah.
Everybody failed in their life. Everybody had their flops, hits, and whatever. मैं बस ये जानती हूँ, जब हिट हो तो सेलिब्रेशन करो.
Right. I'm going to get in a fun segment for you here. So, अभी तक आपने ये सोशल मीडिया पर मीम तो देखा होगा that people associate first woman, these two words with you. Yeah. Okay. So these are a few fun questions about the firsts in your life.
Okay.
ठीक है. So आपको चिट उठाना है and yeah, let's see.
First rumor before the industry or after entering the industry?
Any time. What was the first rumor that you heard about yourself?
I think it was really very futile rumor that about me, where I don't know, like I kind of I'm trying to increase my age.
अच्छा.
हाँ, increase my age, yeah.
कैसे करता है वो कोई?
I don't know, because the first time when I won Miss Universe India, I was 21 days shorter. So somebody just said this, something like that. So.
But how is that naturally possible?
No,
अच्छा,
through
you
documents.
अच्छा वैसे,
Yeah.
okay, आप मतलब आप अपनी गलत एज बता रहे हो, is what people were
गलत
saying.
नहीं, आगे करके बड़ा करके बता रही हूँ, because I was. It's a very long story. Basically, I was 21 days shorter. Then I was younger, so they made like, okay, that she's trying to increase her age.
Okay, next one.
First crush, I would say Justin Bieber, Zayn Malik. I like.
Yeah. Did you have a crush कभी भी in like Hindi film industry में कभी कोई crush रहा है?
It was Hrithik Roshan. Yes. Yours also?
Yes.
Yeah, Hrithik Roshan. But then when I worked with him in movie Kabil, Hasina Ka Deewana, he was on set. That crush converted into a respect. So
उर्वशी वो क्या moment रहा होगा? Like working with someone you have like admired, looked up to, who's been your crush. Oh my God.
Yeah, it was a very special moment, and especially because Kabel was such a special film, and I was beginning in my career, and to be able to get such a nice opportunity. In fact, when I signed my contract of Kabel, Hrithik Roshan was there, and so automatically, I don't know how, but that crush converted into respect, and I love Hrithik Roshan, and I have a lot of admiration for him.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, next one.
First rebellion.
हाँ, first rebellion. पहली बार कब rebel किया था? Something that you were not allowed to do, but yet you did it.
I was never this person.
Okay.
I'm never rebelling.
You've
Really,
never rebelled in life. Wow.
never. I don't know why. Never.
Wow, that's amazing. That's
Never.
interesting to know.
Maybe because I always got that freedom, so there was no need to rebel.
True. Yeah.
First troll. See, because this has become something common, now these days. तो उस करके I really don't remember like first troll.
Yeah. Yeah, but let's talk about it. I feel that बहुत important है as public figures,
Hmm.
as female public figures on the internet. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी-कभी the internet is not kind to women. The
Mhm.
internet is unkind to women. Do you also feel that? I mean, there are abuses. There is what not said.
No, see, like how do I tell? Like in general, like you and me, we're a public figure.
Mm.
We people consume us. They
Mm.
watch our interviews and all. I'm talking about the simplest people. Even if they're wearing whatever, you will always find bad comments. So it's not just about troll. We really need to dig deep inside it. It's just about venting out what a person actually is. किसी और के ऊपर. तो
Wow.
they are doing this to make views, money, or whatever they want to do in life. That is their job. हमको हमारा job पता होना चाहिए. What is primarily what we're doing. We can't be focusing on what they are doing.
Mm.
So it's very important कि हम जो कर रहे हैं हमको हमारा अच्छे से deliver करना है. And then वो उनका काम है, वो कर रहे हैं, वो करते रहें. वो उन्हीं के ऊपर छोड़ दो, ज़्यादा मत सोचो.
Yeah, I think we'll just pick the last few and yeah.
First period,
Yeah.
it was on Christmas, 25th December, and then year I don't remember clearly, but yeah, I remember the date.
Were you able to talk about this, Hamesha? Like even before getting your first period, did you know about it?
हाँ, I got to know about this
Yeah.
through friends and then discussing. I was actually late to get it,
Hmm.
but then thankfully my group of friends they got it early, so they informed me and everything. So
Yeah.
it was like that.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.